Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will see, what are if-else conditions in Python with example. Suppose you want to buy a car. But your budget to buy that car is 2,50,000. Now you will say, okay, so if car price is greater than your budget, then you will not buy that. So whenever you have to make decisions on some factors, so you can use if-else conditions. Let's write some code on this problem statement. So first, initialize your budget first, which is 2,50,000. Now you have to take car price value from user. So input function we already discussed in previous video. To write the conditions, you have to use if keyword. After that define your condition. Say if budget is greater than car price, then print you can buy that. And use else keyword, then print, no you cannot buy that. Now time is to execute this. Enter your car price here. So suppose car price is 3,50,000. So here your answer is, you cannot buy this car. Because car price is bigger than our budget, and of course you cannot buy that. But wait, we are missing something. What if our budget and car price is equal? Now we have to write one more condition in between, for that there is something known as if. So if our budget and car price are equal, then also we can buy that. Let's do it in code. So copy the upper code and paste it below. Now just add if, and write condition here. If our budget and car price is equal, then print yes you can buy this car. Now let's try it, and give same values. So wow, it works right. Let's do one more task. We have to find our input is even or odd, with if-else condition. So, for that we need a condition. Suppose x is our input. If the remainder is 0 after dividing by 2, then it will be even, else it will be odd. So, make a variable x and give it value 234. Now use modulus sign. It will helps to check remainder. If remainder is 0, then print even. Now else it will be odd. After executing, you can see it is even, which is true. We will see more things in next video. Please subscribe to the channel.